This is it, the match that could change everything. As we hit the business end of the IPL 2025, the Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals face off in what is easily a season-defining clash at the Wankhede Stadium. Match number 63 tonight. The stage is set and the stakes could not be higher. A few days ago, the playoff race was a chaotic mess. 5 teams in the hunt, net run rates, weather forecasts, last minute injuries, all of it swirling around like a storm. But after Sunday's doubleheader and Lucknow slip up on Monday, things have cleared up. Now it's down to 2, Mumbai, Delhi. Only one of them might survive and both know it. For Mumbai Indians, the math is simple. Win this game and they are through. That's it. Beat Delhi and the 5-time champions are back in the playoffs. But if they lose tonight, they'll have to beat Punjab Kings in their final match, and even then they'll be keeping one eye on Delhi's last game, hoping for a slip-up. Delhi Capitals, meanwhile, don't have the luxury of second chances. They have to win tonight and then they have to beat Punjab Kings. There's no other way. If they drop even one of their remaining games, they are done and dusted. It's knockout cricket for them starting now. Right now, MI are fourth on the table, 14 points from 12 matches, 7 wins, 5 losses. DC are right behind them in fifth, 13 points from 12 games, with one of their games ending in a washout against Hyderabad. That abandoned match, with rain having the final say, might come back to haunt them. But they have still kept themselves alive, barely. No big squad changes for Delhi. They're sticking to the same core. For Mumbai, this is their first outing since the league resumed after India-Pakistan tensions ran high. Most of their overseas players are available except for Ryan Rickelton, Corbin Bosch and Will Jacks. They'll leave once the league phase is done. But if MI qualify, reinforcements are coming. Johnny Bairstow, Charita Slanka, Richard Gleeson, that's a serious boost for the playoffs if they make it there. This is the second time these two sides are meeting this season, and the last time the whole dynamic of the tournament shifted. The night in Delhi, things turned. Until then, the Capitals were flying. 4 wins in 4 games. Confidence was sky high. Mumbai, on the other hand, had won just 1 game in 5 matches. It felt like the season was slipping away from them. But at the Feroz Shah Kotla, the Arun Jaitley Stadium, everything flipped. MI brought out the big guns. Tilak Verma struck a confident 50. Naman Dheer played a blinder, and suddenly Mumbai had posted over 200 despite Kuldeep Yadav and Vipraj Nigam doing their best to pull it back with the ball. What followed was chaos, the good kind. Karun Nair, back on the big stage, reminded everyone of what he can do. The stylish right-hander went ballistic, taking on every bowler, even Jasprit Bumrah smashing an incredible 89 of just 40 deliveries. For a brief moment, it felt like Delhi Capitals might pull off a miracle chase, but it wasn't to be. And now here we are, Wankhede, do or die, both teams know what's on the line. And the one thing that could throw a wrench into all of this is the weather. There's a yellow alert out for Mumbai. If rain washes out the game, things get complicated once again. A washout means 1 point each. MI would go to 15, DC to 14. Mumbai would still need to beat Punjab in their final match to guarantee a spot. For Delhi, a washout tonight means they have to beat Punjab and pray for other results also to go their way. But that is all speculation. If weather holds, we're in for a cracker. It is going to be a night of high pressure, high stakes, and no room for error. It's not just a match. It's a moment for both the teams, a turning point in the season. For Hardik Pandya, for Rishabh Pant, for 2 teams that have taken very different roads to get here. 1 slip, 1 missed catch, 1 misjudged over. That could be the difference between heading to the playoffs and heading back home. So whatever your plans are, cancel them all, because this isn't just another game. This is Mumbai versus Delhi with everything on the line.